This California Assessment Accessibility Resource video is sponsored by the California Department of Education. This video will demonstrate how to access and use the non-embedded, print-on-demand accessibility resource. This resource is an accommodation for the California Assessment of Student Performance and Progress, or CAASPP, and a designated support for the English Language Proficiency Assessments for California, or ELPAC. For a list of applicable assessments, please refer to the California Assessment Accessibility Resources Matrix by visiting bit.ly/CA_matrix. This non-embedded resource allows for paper copies of passages, stimuli, and items to be printed for students. This resource can only be used for in-person testing. Note that to use this resource, the test administrator or examiner must have a working printer connected to a computer. If the print-on-demand resource is enabled, the student will be able to request an item to be printed during a test. To send a request, the student can select the Print Page button or select the Print Item or Print Passage option from the context menu. The student screen will then show a pop-up window to indicate that the print request has been sent to the test administrator or examiner. The student must then select the OK button to dismiss the pop-up window. In the test administrator interface, the student session will be highlighted and will appear at the top of the screen with a label reading Tests with Potential Issues. Under the Actions header, a Print button will also appear. Select the Print button to see the full request from the student, including the student's name and the part of the test that the student requested to be printed. To approve and print the item, select the green check mark. Once selected, a window to print the item will appear. This window will vary depending on the web browser and device that is being used by the test administrator or test examiner. Once the request has been printed, the test administrator or test examiner can bring the printed page to the student who requested it. Keep in mind that the printed test item or passage must be collected and destroyed once the student is finished with the test. If a student submits a print request by accident or sends a duplicate request, the request can be dismissed. To dismiss a printing request, the test administrator or examiner can select the red X in the Student Print Request pop-up window. Another window will appear with a space to enter a reason for denial. This response will not be sent to the student or saved anywhere, so you do not need to enter a reason, but make sure to select the Deny button to fully dismiss the request. For more information about student accessibility resources and test settings, visit caaspp.org and elpac.org. Thanks for watching!